For more insight into how your subscribers are interacting with your email, check out the reports. Every time you send an email, we'll provide you with stats on how your subscribers interacted with it. To view your campaign statistics, head to the Messages page and click View Report. If your campaign consists of multiple messages, you will see a page that displays all of your emails and social posts in chronological order. For each email, you'll see the number of clicks and opens. If your email included social share buttons, you'll see the number of views on the right. Click on the email statistics to view the report. On the Overview page, you can see the following information, such as the total number of emails sent, how many people opened your email, how many times each link was clicked, the total number of users who did not open your email, plus you can see how many bounces, unsubscribes, and spam complaints there were. For more information on user engagement, click View. Here you can see more detailed information such as who opened your email, which links were clicked, and more. To download a CSV file containing the information displayed, select Download List. Or you can create an email list by selecting Create a List. At the top right of the report section, you will see the option to view email and share. Here you can view your email or share a link to your email via social media. You will also see the option to download reports. Here you can download a report for your most recent campaigns. Or you can download a customized report specific to this campaign. Use the checkboxes to specify what information you would like to include. Every time you send an email, remember to check out the report to gather information on how your readers are interacting with it. If you're interested in more stats, you can check out our advanced reporting features.